Hello, hello, welcome. Thank you for being here. I definitely appreciate you being here. Welcome to the JW Jacquet channel. If this is your first time of being here, definitely subscribe and set your notification bell and help me share this out. If you are returning, thank you for returning and watching this video with me. And definitely, help me share this out with your friends, your family members, or on your social media platform. If you don't mind, I definitely appreciate it. For those of you that does not know who I am Jean Jacquet, and thank you for being here and watching on the JW Jacquet channel. Guys, there's something that, some folks have been asking me some questions about. So, guys, I don't want to, delay things any further. Like I said, thank you for being here with me. I definitely appreciate you guys. So, let's get going. What am I here to talk about today is what is life insurance? I know there's a lot of questions out there with regards to life insurance, and everybody know life insurance is for if someone were to die and they passed away, so the beneficiary gets to have this funding and so forth. Yes, that is also true. That is once again, guys, what is life insurance? Here's what I'm gonna tell you. Life insurance is a perfect way of great planning and a perfect tool for your life. That is life insurance. When I say perfect planning, a perfect tool for your life, I really mean that. Meaning that, you are making plans into using life insurance somewhere down the line in the future for your life, for things that you need, for things that, you're going to accommodate yourself for down the line when things, when you feel like this is the right moment. Yes, I know. Everybody know the planning of life insurance is if something were to happen to you, if you happen to pass away prematurely. Yes, that is part of it, but that's not all of it. Life insurance is a perfect planning for your life later on down the road. There's no better planning for your life down the road if you needing to access certain things at a specific point of time in your life. Should life insurance be used as a saving? No, it's not a saving account. That's why it's called life insurance because you are enjoying life. You're enjoying life. It's not a saving account. It's life insurance. So you're insuring your life. You're ensuring the enjoyment of your life. You're ensuring the greatness of things that's going to come in your life. One thing I'll tell you, yes, life insurance could feel complicated and very stressful. Of course it can. Knowing what's the right type. Is this the right type for me? Is this the right one for me? Is this correct? How could this works for me? There's so many different type of life insurance out there, which I've made a video about before of how to properly use life insurance and what is the right type of life insurance because all of them is designed for a specific need. So yes, it can be stressful. It could be definitely, something that you feel that's very complicated, which is why you should entrust and a professional, a financial professional, to help you navigate through that stressful moment, to that great complication of life insurance. Now, the one thing I'm gonna tell you, the core of life insurance is actually pretty simple. It's actually very, very simple. If you take life and you say, you know what, I am going to use this for the benefit of the future. It's not now. You're not using it as of right now. You're using it for the future. A lot of folks will say life insurance, well, I don't need this, I'm so young, and so forth and so on. When you are young is the best time to have life insurance to get it going so that you don't wind up making so many payments and so much cost down the road. Because the older you get, the more it's gonna cost you. The older you get, the more you are prone to have something goes wrong. So, which is why the younger you are, it's the best time to have life insurance. Like if you're a day younger, meaning that today, right now, is the best time because you don't know what tomorrow's gonna bring. So that's the core of that. That's very simple, very basic. That life insurance is for my future at a specific period of time that I know life insurance will benefit me as a living being, as a living person. Now, I understand, don't get me wrong, I understand some folks believe that, oh, life insurance is if I die, my beneficiaries get to have this money and they go out and do all these stuff and all these things and yada, yada, yada. Right. You are right. That's also part of life insurance. After you passed away, or if you were to pass away prematurely, that your family, your loved ones could get taken care of so that you don't leave no baggage behind. So let me understand that and help you develop that part. The core, the essential that most folks focused on is, well, if I die, my beneficiary is going to have this funding. Yes, and that funding is supposed to be taking care of things that you left behind. Like, for an example, your bills. As a responsible person, you get to take care of your bills. You get to take care of things of debt that you left behind. If you had a mortgage, if you have a mortgage and you happen to be gone prematurely, you don't want your family now, just because you are not here with them, to be on the street. As a responsible person, so you have life insurance to preserve that asset, to shield it and shield your family, protect your family. So therefore, that they wind up being safe. That's the core fundamental of life insurance, which is pretty simple. A lot of folks do get that basic. Many folks, get that part. So that's the one thing. Now, when it comes to your loved ones, let's not just say, well, they only need to bury me, I'm gone, and forget about it. No, listen, if you have small children, if your husband depend or your wife depend, vice versa, if your significant other depends on the income that was coming in. So now, to make that one again, don't get me wrong, no one could ever bring you back. No one will ever bring you back. However, why make that person suffer emotionally and now financially? No, shield yourself. Shield that person. You love them so much that you shield them. Even though they are going through the emotional part of you not being here, I could understand that. Trust me, I understand that, folks. I do. But at least they're not gonna be homeless. They could have a plan and they could have things going. So that's the one thing. How does life insurance work? You need a beneficiary. Well, you should want to have a beneficiary rather than just going to your to your heirs and stuff. You should want to have a beneficiary, someone responsible, someone that you trust, someone that you know that will do the right thing. Then you apply for the policy. Once you apply for it, once it approves, which I know you're in great health, is gonna approve. Once it approves, then you keep it safe. That's how life insurance works. You make your premium, you make your payment, you make your contribution to the policy at a specific time. That policy grows over time. Then you get to use the life portion of the policy. If you are still living, if you are still here, if you are still enjoying life, if you still can do, right? So you enjoy the portion of that life insurance. The remain is safe. If after that you wind up prematurely no longer and you happen to be now with us, then the death portion of the policy takes care of your remaining. So, guys, I hope you like this video. Thank you for being here with me. All right. If you have any questions, definitely comment down below. I'm going to put my link down in the description box. If this is your first time of being here, definitely subscribe to this channel. Definitely subscribe. If you are a returning person, thank you. And I hope that you guys are thumbing this up for me. Help me share this out with your friends, your family, and your social media page. I'll see you guys next time.